What's up YouTube, it's Winstonee back today to give you guys a brand new video. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. And also click the bell icon to be notified for every new video I come out with. So a couple weeks ago, I tried the Shingle method for your hair. If you don't know what the Shingle method is, it's pretty much you taking gel and putting it on every single curl strand of your hair, which makes your curls super defined. You have little to no frizz in your hair and pretty much your whole head is curly. So for this method, you're gonna need some leave-in conditioner, you're gonna need some gel. In this video, I'm gonna be using Eco-Styler gel. And you're gonna need some hair ties, a towel, what else? I think that's it. It's very simple, but the process is actually kind of very long. Long, but not too long. But it did take me a while. It took me at least, I think like 3 hours or something to do this. Yeah, so without further ado, this is me defining my curls with the Shingle method. So to prepare for this method, I'm going to shampoo and condition my hair. I'm currently using shampoos and conditioner by Mane & Tail. Once you're done washing your hair, you're going to want to keep it pretty soaked. It's going to need to stay pretty wet for the entire method. Next, I'm going to be applying a lot of Cantu's leave-in conditioner to my hair. The gel I'm going to be using today is Eco-Styler gel with argan oil. You're going to be using a lot of leave-in conditioner and gel for this process. The leave-in conditioner goes in first. You're also going to want to have a spray bottle filled with water to keep your hair wet throughout the process. Next, you're going to want to tie your hair in sections to help you keep track of the strands you've already done versus the ones that you still need to put gel on. Remember to spray your hair with water as needed. When your hair is wet, you should be able to feel each curly strand to determine how to individually curl them. If not, then I would suggest that you go ahead and manually separate your hair and make an educated guess on how many strands you think should make up a curly strand. Once you have your strand, you're going to want to take some gel and start applying it to the strand starting from the roots and run your fingers down each strand about 3 or 4 times. Then you just leave the strand to naturally curl. So this is how my hair looked halfway done. Don't worry if you have any leave-in conditioner build up in your hair because it'll go away once it dries. Now some of the strands are a little difficult to curl because of the texturizer in my hair, so I have to manually crunch them to make sure they curl and won't dry straight. And this is how the hair looked wet after I was done. Keep in mind this is a long process, so your fingers will get pruny. So this is how my curls came out when my hair finally dried. Do not mind my red eyes. I was extremely tired just for having a long day, and so that's why they're super red. I didn't want my hair to look too defined at my roots, so I just kind of frizzed my roots out a little bit just to make it look a little bit more natural. The one thing that I would say that I didn't like about this method was that, you know, I don't really like my hair feeling crunchy. You know, I like when my curls are soft and, you know, they're just kind of free-flowing. Because there was gel in my hair, it kind of made it just a little bit crunchy. I had the leave-in conditioner in my hair, so it wasn't as like crunchy as if there weren't any leave-in conditioner in it. So yeah guys, that was me applying the Shingle method to my hair. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And leave a comment below if you guys have tried the Shingle method or you want to try the Shingle method. Go ahead and leave a comment below. That's it for this video guys. I will see you guys next week.